what are the different ways, how what data science is generally like that. Okay, usually whenever you get the data, you have a business problem. Okay, and then the business problem, and then you are given the data for the first time. Okay, as soon as you got the data, you will not jump into concluding or start building the model. Okay, do you remember I told you in a normal data science kind of a setup, in a data science problem, uh, you would spend, if there are 100 hours to complete a problem, you would spend 60 hours doing exploratory data analysis. You would spend 20 hours doing actual model building, and then you will spend the next of the 20 hours to create data visualizations and presentation. Okay, so this 60 hours is what you do based on exploratory data analysis. So what is exploratory data analysis? Okay, so missing data treatment using different methods. So different methods we will look at it, but basically we do a missing data treatment. What is a missing data treatment? See, missing data treatment means most of the times what happens is, if you are getting data from a survey, okay, if you're getting data from a survey, if the survey is conducted manually, so if the government of India is conducting a survey for average, to kind of to find out the average income. So so you remember these guys come home and then they ask a lot of questions. Okay, they carry a book. Okay, what do? If we have this is the data they are collecting: name, address, age, salary, married or unmarried, and number of children. Okay, this is the data. So this is person one. So address, say India on a general. So his age is 30, and let's not do it here. Let's create an Excel, no? So we will understand. We can do some analysis. So name, address, age, salary, married or unmarried, children, number of children, and anything else. Can you tell anything else we can collect data on? Number of dependents. Okay, so we collect data. So this is person 1, address India, say address Ameerpet, this age is 30. So salary is per month. Okay, let's take per month salary. Let's say 50,000. He is married or unmarried? Unmarried. And number of children? 0. Number of dependents? 2. This is the data they are collecting. Okay, and then we have person 2, say stays in whatever place. Habits, age is 45. Okay, salary is say 60. Married, number of children 2, number of dependents 1. Person 3, Hyderabad. Now say we don't say the person who's collecting the data, okay, did not though the person has come and then he's asking, so somehow he did not fill this, he forgot to fill this information, okay, and then salary he filled it, okay, so he filled it as 75, and then he said unmarried, number of children is 2, number of dependents is 5, okay, so what? hmm. So missing data treatment, okay. See, if I am conducting this survey to find out the average age, okay, the average age. So in this way, I have collected information for say this many people, okay, and then let's do a random ran between. So let's take ages from. So this survey is for people who are 18 years and above, and less than 75. So that's our population. Okay, let's do this. Why all are 45? Let's do 85. Okay, and now salary. This is equals to between 0 to say 10. This is the range. Okay. Let's change this to 80. Let's change this to 35 and this to 0. Okay. So here we go. Suppose this is the data which we have, and we have actually collected this data to calculate the average age. Okay. And somehow the person who was collecting this information somehow missed to write down this information. Okay. So can I get average age from this? If this is my data? Santosh and Krishna, what are the challenges?
And just missing the data. That's it.
This is missing data, no? If we have missing data, will we have confidence in telling that the averages are correct? No, we will not have confidence. Okay, and you see somehow the age of this person is 0. How can an age of a person be 0? And what we are telling, he's earning 69. He's earning like 6,98,435 rupees per month. Is it possible? It is not possible, no?
Not possible.
Okay, so either this is wrong or this is wrong. But since we know our survey was conducted for people from age 18 to 85, okay, so now we are sure that this is wrong. We are sure this is wrong. So we cannot have this value in our data set. Okay, and here are blanks. Okay, so we will have to first correct our data. We see how many data points we have here. We have like what, 20 data points. So it is easy for us to look at this data and tell, okay, this is 0. What if your Excel has like 1 million data points? You will not even know, you will not even have time, you will be stressed out to look at this. Okay, so that's the reason why we will do a suppose for age. Do you remember histograms? Huh? Forgot?
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
You remember, no? Histograms? Okay, perfect. So let's do a histogram for this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's do. I'll show you frequency. Histogram, we should give frequency. So we will give our age is starting from so 18, right? So we will have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Perfect. So how do you do a histogram? So missing values, you should find out missing values first. Okay. So how do we do a histogram? We go to data, we do data analysis, we select histogram, we say okay. So your input range, okay. So this is your input range. Your binning range. So this is your binning range. Let's not give the label name. And you want
sir,
it,
frequency is same.
binning, frequency is binning also.